is your origin?
Again?
Where are you coming from?
I'm from Germany.
Germany?
Yes.
Wow. Where, Düsseldorf or Hamburg?
Berlin.
Berlin. Yeah, Berlin in the building. See you next year, okay? What's your name? You didn't mention your name.
My name is Sarah.
Sarah, see you next year, okay? I first said I win it then.
I first said I know that Jawule cry. I first said why King King. And BBI King King cry.
So far, what has been your experience?
Experience in there. And one day you to be invited to put on number and then chill together. You know, so why my unit now alive in Cabo United? Because then some AB Gabi be them between Cape Coast and Ashanti. But this is way to my face. The man Cabo United. Waben to Ama, what a shandamino. What a shandamino, everything now. The BBI come and
enjoy, have fun, brother.
Strength. There is a fashion. I'm more for the grave. It's breezy. No me. That's one thing in the oil show you. Matt Kasa. Hey, Arindo.
I say official.
I say I will go over there.
BBR ko ye bia.
Well, I shall be saying it to them. Friday near every.
Well, enjoy the festival.
Any jam go say.
How I feel it. Official. How you doing?
Oh, I'm well.
What's your experience this year?
It's been amazing. It's been bigger than it has ever been since I have attended.
I don't want peace. I want problem. Always.
You get it. If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it. Yes, yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie. You said all the lie.
Power to the rich.
The title.
Hey, Paco Rich. Never from my life. I say my fine. I never life. I don't know.
I say official.
I feel go back to money. I
said I feel rich Friday.
I feel rich Friday. When can go on there? Or different. Or different. Big of our film. The moment be at your cinema.
My support about.
Be at your not too much because why they? Sister, and the festival level, they have different level. And what now? You have to work so
different.
And obey there. a man and I could
be my bed was to cry one twin. I love when it was high. Oh, high. I say, official pa. Yeah, they have a cassa. Every day, iconic. This is an African thing. Yes, you understand? Yeah, what's true? Bye. If you finish, this guy will talk to you and be very funny. But the way you push it, Charlie, no be messy. Oh boys. I say official.
Africa what's here, brother?
Baby, I record.
Masha, baby. Fancy photo on your baby.
Baby,
I ever say.
Somebody in the building.
We are representing.
I say big ups to you. But still, I'm not going to through. What's this all about? Beat busy or what's
Get busy.
Get busy. Okay, get busy from Champagne, right? I say out to them. So what is it about Get Busy?
Get Busy is a record label. We are into artists and modern management and event organizing.
Beautiful.
We're based on the Spencer Road actually.
So you go sign me on?
Of course, if you can do it well, I mean, you can
so
sing.
far, who did the label talk?
So far, we have 4 artists on the label top. We have Yao Flex, we have Oniador, we have Bonyo Highness, and we have Rich Boss YNG.
The fact that you have Bonyo Highness on means I go support her because my homeboy be like.
Thank you.
Charlie, all the best. Welcome to Cape Coast. Bye. Bye. I don't remember your face.
Remember my face.
Oniador, I don't remember you. Everything.
I mean, now you still there.
Yeah. No, xylophone, I do that. Okay. I did Plus FM now.
Okay. I see no way, I see no.
Be that.
They still there around.
I first said I win it then.
I first said I know that Jawule cry. First I why King Kane. Ewa, BBI King Kane cry.
So far, what has been your experience?
Experience now in there. One day you to be invited to for them number and then chill together. You know, so why my unit now alive in Cabo United? Because then in some AB Gabi be them between Cape Coast and Ashanti. But this is on the way to our face. The man Cabo United. Waben to Ama, Walla Shandamano, everything now. The guy come and
enjoy, have fun, brother.
Was a grave, it's breezy, no me, that's one thing in the Oya Chevi, Matkasa. Hey, Arindo!
Wagwan. Yes, Sarinjo! Afishapa. I want to fire to me go. Pass out of the choke.
I say, I will go to it.
BBR Koyabia.
I shall be the Senate. I'm Friday night.
Well, let's festival.
Anything could say.
I feel it. How you doing?
Oh, I'm well.
What's your experience this year?
It's been amazing. It's been bigger than it has ever been since I have attended. And all of my kids are here. So we're having a great time.
Great. Enjoy yourself, bro. Real talent. Have fun.
Sharp.
Oh, good time. Hey. Wow, I said I fish up. I feel about here. I said I fish on our record. What with that?
I feel fashion no. Or you could great.
Yeah, man.
And with the reason why it's different. The reason why this festival why it's different in there.
Yeah.
Otumfo.
Yeah, man.
You can imagine the people that Otumfo brought to
I know, right? I know, right?
Even my dad called me that. Or the VIP.
Yeah, man.
Almost 17. Are they? Is it true? Is it true?
True.
That means this festival.
We are not here to play.
The reason why I'm saying that Nakopon is so mean there. And when he's a few but I feel with them. Why are so?
Yeah, man.
Yes. It's on today. Keep going to full. One on one boat. One way for they should come. They should come. I will now have a few. Oh, yeah, they are not. But me, I go for one man.
Well, but next year, Baba.
That is it.
I was so sorry. After Shapa. All right. After Shapa. After Shapa. Cape Coast on Facebook. I said one follow. On Facebook, one follow.
Yes.
The Candyman one.
What's it?
Candyman one.
Candyman.
Yeah.
Oh, what's one there? Also, we're not touching all. Why trend?
What trend?
Who was there to do Ababy? The second, Waba.
Yeah. After Shapa. How are you celebrating the festival? How are you celebrating the festival?
It's really nice.
This is your first time?
No, it's my second time.
Second time. What was your first experience?
My first experience.
What was your first experience?
It was really good.
Which country is your origin?
Again?
Where are you coming from?
I'm from Germany.
Germany?
Yes.
Wow. Where Düsseldorf or Hamburg?
Berlin.
Berlin. Yeah, Berlin in the building. See you next year, okay? What's your name? You didn't mention your name.
My name is Sarah.
Sarah, see you next year, okay? Cruise. Yeah. I say, what cruise be ya? What the convoy in a man?
Inja the convoy names.
I say, boys,
Check for Atabadi.
Atabazi in the building. I say, March a blog, what they chill at? Watch a blog where they chill. I say official pa. Hey, I say we're cruising. We're cruising and chilling as a bed. I feel Orange Friday no kwe ya.
Oh, BBI
Nice
fine.
one,
BBI
yeah.
fine.
Charlie one chill out. I say official pa. We get cruising. And chill around. We front to side there. I say.
Keep my part of the watching.
Alright, what skills? Charlie, man, have a shopper. We are recording. We are. Yeah, why do you do fear? I bet you have to talk about it.
I want problem. Always.
You get it. If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it. Yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie. You said all the lie.
Power to the rich.